Happy morning, children. Now we will start with the new topic, circle, chord and arc. And here the first exercise which is given to you is revision exercise. That is, let's recall. Recall means you have already studied all the concepts related to the questions being asked. So you have to answer them. Now here, see what they have given. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle. With reference to the figure, fill in the blanks. So, segment OD is, now see the figure here, the circle is given, the figure of a circle is given, here O is the center of the circle. Now, you have to tell me the first answer. What it will be? Segment OD. See here, OD. D is a point on the circle and O is the center of the circle, right? So, here segment OD, what it is called as? It is called as the radius of the circle. Now, what is the radius of the circle? The radius means it is a segment joining the center of the circle and any point on the circle. So, what is segment OD? It is the radius. So, you will just write here radius. Same way here they have asked AB, segment AB. What is segment AB? As you can see here, segment AB is the diameter of the circle. And what is the diameter of the circle? A diameter of the circle has two endpoints on the circle and it is passing through the center of the circle. That is the main point. It is passing through the center of the circle. So this segment AB, it is the diameter of the circle. So I'll just write here diameter. Then segment PQ. Now what is segment PQ? Segment PQ is the chord of the circle. What is the chord of the circle? It is having its two endpoints on the circle. It's a segment whose endpoints are on the circle. So segment PQ is the chord of the circle. And then you will say, what about AB? Diameter AB, it is also a chord of the circle because its two endpoints are on the circle. So a chord is a segment which joins any 2 points on the circle. On the circle it should be. See, for the radius, center of the circle and any point on the circle it is. But for the diameter, end points are on the circle and it is passing through the center. So segment AB is also a chord, but specifically we are calling it a diameter because it is passing through the center. So these three concepts you have already studied in 5th standard. I'll just show it to you. Your 5th standard book, circle topic. You have already studied radius. Then here you have studied chord. Then you have studied diameter. See how a chord passing through the center of the circle is called a diameter. Then here, radius of the circle, the line segment joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called a radius of the circle. Okay, it should be line segment joining the center of the circle and any point on the circle. And here also, chord, a line segment joining any 2 points on a circle. See, any 2 points on the circle is called as chord of the circle. Okay, so this concepts you have already studied. Now the central angle. Now central angle concept you have studied in which class? I think in 7th standard. Now what is the central angle here? See, O is the center of the circle. So if the angle has its vertex as the center of the circle, then that angle is called as the central angle. So here we can just look at this and see what is central angle given. See here, O is the vertex. See here, see the figure here. O is the vertex of angle AOB. And this vertex O is also the center of the circle. So, an angle whose vertex is the center of the circle is called a central angle. Okay. So, here angle AOB is the central angle. So, here also you can see very well. Here angle DOB. Here this angle is called as the central angle. Now why it is called as the central angle? Because O is the center of the circle, and for angle DOB it is the vertex. So vertex of the angle, and this vertex is the center of the circle. So angle DOB is the central angle. DOB. Now this angle is also the central angle. Angle AOD. For this also O is the, but here only one dash is given, so you can name it only one angle, or you can also put comma and you can write it down, angle AOD. Okay, these two are the central angle.